In this short video, I'll guide you on how to set a full-screen photo for incoming calls on both iPhone and Android devices. This feature can make identifying your caller easier and adds a personalized touch, so you'll recognize who's calling even from a distance without squinting at a tiny image. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate similar phone settings, including optimizing caller ID features. Stay with me until the end to discover how to block unwanted callers. Now, let's get started on how to set photo on incoming calls. For Android users, we'll only using Samsung devices, but the method is the same for all Android phones. To start, first, disable Do Not Disturb mode, as it may interfere with the caller ID display. Next, open Contacts, select your contact, then tap the 3 dots at the bottom right and select Edit Call Background, followed by Background. Choose a photo from your gallery, adjust it as needed, and set it as the call background. This will display a full-screen caller ID when this contact calls. Note that you can use Google Photos or Samsung Gallery for easy access to recently taken or edited images. Also, the call background options allow you to apply color or add specific images for each contact. Before we see how it's done on iPhones, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now, let's proceed with setting photos for iPhone incoming call screen. For iPhones, open the Contacts app on your iPhone and find the contact you want to set up a photo for. Tap Edit, then select Add Photo. You can take a new photo, select one from your gallery, or use a Memoji for the contact. Adjust the image within the circular frame, then tap Choose and Done to save. To ensure full screen display, open Settings, then select Phone, followed by Incoming Calls, and select Full Screen. Now, whenever this contact calls, you'll see the photo in full screen mode. For added customization on iPhone, tap Edit when selecting the photo to adjust color, fonts, or apply filters for a more personalized look. Also, the Memoji and monogram options are also available to make your caller ID stand out. But what if you want to block the caller from further calls? No worries. In this linked video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to stop unwanted spam calls. Tap here to watch it after this video. To explore more Apple iPhone video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.